is not from USA. This is Soviet Union Mikoyan MiG-31 Foxhound. The MiG-31, developed by the Soviet Union during the Cold War era, is a supersonic interceptor aircraft known for its exceptional speed and altitude capabilities. This fighter jet, also known by its NATO reporting name Foxhound, was designed to intercept and destroy incoming enemy aircraft and cruise missiles at high speeds and altitudes. The history of the MiG-31 traces back to the 1960s when the Soviet Union recognized the need for a new interceptor aircraft to counter the threat posed by advanced Western bombers and reconnaissance aircraft. The MiG-31 was developed as a successor to the MiG-25, which was the fastest and highest-flying military aircraft at the time. The MiG-31 aimed to build upon the success of the MiG-25 while addressing its shortcomings in terms of range, avionics, and combat capability. The development of the MiG-31 began in the early 1970s, with its first flight taking place in 1975. The aircraft entered service with the Soviet Air Defense Forces in 1981 and has since been upgraded and modernized to enhance its combat effectiveness. The MiG-31 has a maximum speed of Mach 2.83 and a service ceiling of over 60,000 feet, making it one of the fastest and highest-flying military aircraft in the world. One of the key features of the MiG-31 is its powerful radar system, which allows it to detect and track multiple targets simultaneously at long ranges. This radar system, combined with advanced avionics and weapons systems, enables the MiG-31 to engage both air and surface targets with precision and high lethality. In addition to its interception capabilities, the MiG-31 is also capable of performing other roles, including reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and anti-satellite missions. The aircraft's long range and endurance allow it to operate in a variety of combat scenarios, making it a versatile and potent asset for any air force. Over the years, the MiG-31 has been exported to several countries, including Syria, Kazakhstan, and Turkmenistan. These countries have utilized the MiG-31 to enhance their air defense capabilities and protect their airspace from potential threats. The dimensions of the MiG-31 is measuring 22.69 meters in length, 13.46 meters in wingspan, and 6.15 meters in height. This allows for a spacious cockpit that accommodates 2 crew members, a pilot, and a weapons systems officer. The aircraft's weight is approximately 21,800 kilograms, making it a relatively heavy fighter jet. The MiG-31 is powered by 2 powerful D30 F6 turbofan engines, which are capable of delivering an impressive thrust without afterburners of 75.62 kilonewtons each. With afterburners engaged, the thrust of each engine increases to a remarkable 155 kilonewtons. This results in a thrust-to-weight ratio that enables the aircraft to reach incredible speeds and climb rapidly. In terms of performance, the MiG-31 can withstand a maximum G-force of 5.3, allowing it to execute high-speed maneuvers without losing control. Its maneuverability is further enhanced by its variable geometry wings, which can be adjusted to optimize performance in different flight conditions. Over the years, the MiG-31 has undergone several upgrades to enhance its capabilities and ensure its relevance in modern combat scenarios. One of the most significant upgrades is the integration of the Zaslon-M radar system, which provides the aircraft with improved target detection and tracking capabilities. Additionally, new weapons systems have been added to the MiG-31's arsenal, increasing its lethality and versatility in combat situations. The latest upgrades to the MiG-31 have further improved its avionics systems, making it a formidable force to be reckoned with in the skies. With its speed, agility, and advanced technologies, the MiG-31 continues to be a key player in the realm of supersonic interceptor aircraft. The MiG-31, a formidable interceptor aircraft developed by the Soviet Union, is known for its impressive weapons systems and combat capabilities. Now we are going to analyze the weapons and combat capabilities of the MiG-31, focusing on its list of weapons and munitions, firepower, and combat maneuvers. The MiG-31 is equipped with a wide array of weapons, including various air-to-air missiles such as the R-33, R-40, and R-60. These missiles are designed to engage enemy aircraft at long ranges, ensuring that the MiG-31 can effectively intercept and destroy hostile targets. In addition, the aircraft is also equipped with a 23mm GSH-23 cannon for close-range combat situations. In terms of firepower, the MiG-31 is unrivaled in its ability to deliver devastating blows to its enemies. The aircraft's powerful radar and advanced avionics systems allow it to effectively track and engage multiple targets simultaneously. This, coupled with its impressive speed and maneuverability, makes the MiG-31 a formidable adversary in any combat scenario. When it comes to combat capabilities, the MiG-31 is capable of executing a wide range of maneuvers to outmaneuver and outsmart its opponents. The aircraft's high speed and altitude capabilities enable it to engage and disengage from targets quickly, making it a challenging target for enemy aircraft. Additionally, the MiG-31's advanced radar systems allow it to detect and track multiple targets at once, giving it a significant advantage in air-to-air combat situations. One of the key combat maneuvers employed by the MiG-31 is the Foxhound spiral, in which the aircraft executes a series of high-speed turns and climbs to evade enemy missiles and engage hostile targets. This maneuver, combined with the aircraft's powerful weapon systems, allows the MiG-31 to effectively engage and neutralize enemy threats in a variety of combat scenarios. Currently, there are approximately 100 MiG-31 aircraft in service with the Russian Aerospace Forces, out of a total of 519 units that were built. Despite being in service for over 4 decades, the MiG-31 continues to be a formidable interceptor aircraft, capable of operating at high speeds and altitudes to counter various airborne threats effectively. However, the MiG-31 is gradually approaching the end of its operational lifespan, and plans for its retirement have been set in motion. The Russian Ministry of Defense has announced that the MiG-31 will be gradually phased out of service and replaced by more modern and advanced aircraft such as the Sukhoi Su-57 fifth-generation fighter. The retirement of the MiG-31 is expected to take place over the next decade, with a gradual reduction in the number of active units as newer aircraft are introduced into service. Despite its impending retirement, the MiG-31 has left a lasting legacy as a reliable and effective interceptor aircraft. Its speed, range, and weapon systems have made it a formidable presence in the skies, capable of intercepting and neutralizing airborne threats with precision and efficiency. The MiG-31 has also been extensively modernized over the years, with upgrades to its avionics, radar systems, and weapons, ensuring that it remains a potent force in the Russian Aerospace Forces. Overall, the MiG-31 continues to be a vital asset in the Russian Aerospace Forces, with a significant number of units still in service. However, its retirement is inevitable, and plans are already in place to gradually phase out the aircraft and replace it with more advanced platforms. Despite this, the MiG-31's legacy as a reliable and effective interceptor aircraft will endure, serving as a testament to its capabilities and the ingenuity of its designers.